in the trash can. The windows are still cracked.
We'll take a look. I didn't know she was recording.
Because I was not aiming it at anything. I actually forgot that I had the camera, so I didn't think I had to record.
She's fired.
Footprint.
She's hired and she's fired. Footprints? They walked all over here.
Child.
It's probably your friend. I see something going on right here. Wait a minute. What's that black thing? I don't know. Did he? Oh.
I feel like this just...
Oh, that's as far as he got with that.
Yeah. Did he just go to do that? Oh, no, did that one too. Underneath that was a lot was done yesterday. Where's that little hole from?
Did he do this one? Okay, he did, yeah. That one's fit in. Okay, so he did the bottom. Yeah, that one is too. Not those, so he didn't get that far. So he is going to do it here. Remember, that was a question. Can he do it?
Well, he did it. He did
I see the holes too. So he is going to do that part. Do you? Okay, he did that one too.
Yay.
So he did work at the bottom. So the bottom probably looks like the upstairs.
Spider.
Spider.
It's not a spider.
Huh. So he doesn't have too much more to go then. Tomorrow, I bet he'll be done. It looks like he has to do whatever these other type of tubes are.
Oh, he ain't got this far yet.
The black one.
Can't start that one.
Because maybe they're different. Because it's exhaust fans.
Right. Alright, so it looks like HVAC guy. Who opened? Oh, right here. He probably opened if he was up here. So we're gonna get a shot of the crawl space because the HVAC guy did come today. Thank goodness. I'm gonna close this window.
Oh, then the button came off.
What the heck is that?
Look, the button. Pop
Well,
the
his
button.
button came off. I bet he squatted down and blew that button out.
My butt?
He's always been
Oh,
there.
yeah, fire, because there's fire.
Where? Oh, there it is. Hey, you said this one wasn't done?
Those two.
Oh, yeah. So he must have started that side. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. He must have did more up there. Oh, that's a big old thingy. What is this? Jeez.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
She's doing it again.
Of course, wifey's doing something she shouldn't be doing. Notice how she said. Notice how she said she's not doing anything yet. She's climbed all the way up there.
He's got to cut the holes out. What would exactly would we put up here?
A whole lot.
I guess you could fit like a couple of storage boxes. I mean, yeah, it's nice size for storage boxes. There's a cinder block up here. I guess he was using that as a stool. I have no idea. But no, because there's a bucket. He could sit on the bucket. I don't know. Huh. But there you go. But oh, you can come up here.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'll check it out sometime.
Yeah, there's one that needs to be connected.
Yeah.
So I guess he drills the holes.
Walking through walls. Let's go look at the crawl space.
Okay. There's that big pipe.
Alright, there's a lot going on down here. Oh. No, it's actually cool.
Oh, wow.
Wow. You see it?
Those footprints are in here too, so.
Oh, it's hit. Yep, you're right. It's the
1,
same
2, 3, 4,
footprint.
5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a lot. A little.
All over there too.
So he's got a hang on these.
Oh my God, yeah.
That he just started.
Yep.
He's got probably 2 more days.
He probably does actually. Nothing's connected to that thing.
But it's all here, so maybe it doesn't take that long to connect them.
I think it's around it all right there.
So yeah, but he had upstairs, he has to cut those holes.
Yeah.
He drew them out with like a little Sharpie and stuff.
Yep. I mean, he probably throws everything in this little corner. Yeah, me either. I don't want to hit my head. Whew. Avery didn't go. Why you didn't go, Avery?
I saw it.
You too scared. Too scared to chance it, huh? Alright, well, HVAC day number 25. Feels like. It's actually what, number what, 6?
I don't know.
Feel like it's HVAC day number 50. But it's not. Quality over quantity. But that feels really good. Nothing done with that either. Not no trespassing sign.
It's a little dirty.
It looks like it doesn't say no trespassing anymore. Have to clean it. Alright. Oh, that's the update. Progress on the HVAC being installed in the crawl space. And Ariel's wearing a Charlie Brown shirt. You know his Charlie Brown colors?